everyone. Welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So this might be one of the smallest hauls I've ever done. I don't know what's going on in my Dollar Trees, but we are just not getting in anything really new. And I only picked up a couple of little things. And most of this really is personal use because, well, I just haven't found anything new. So I'm trying to hang on to that Dollar Tree money and wait till something new comes in. But I did find a couple of things. So one of the things I found was this little ice tray. It's a little silicone ice tray. It's like little, it's an ice cube tray. It's BPA free. But you guys, I'm not using this for ice cubes. I'm going to be making wax melts with these. If you've seen my video about the wax dots, and if you haven't, I'll link it below. But I think these will make the great, nice little size wax melts. And I use my essential oils from doTERRA, and they really are wonderful. And I'll be using the little white candles that I have from the Dollar Tree. I picked up several of those a while back, and I used one to make my wax dots and stuff. But this, to me, is the perfect size for a melt. And, you know, I can get 12 of them at one time. So I picked that up. I also picked up some more buttons. And these are the darker ones. It looks to me like they have gray and black. There are some red in there. There's some green in there. Some navy blue. But, you know, it doesn't say how many are in here. But I have to tell you, and I think I mentioned this on my Thursday card design video, that this is one of the best buys. You can go to the stores, and even on sale, you can buy a little 4-pack of buttons for like $1. But wow, there's so many buttons in here. To me, this is just a great buy. So I went ahead and picked up the dark ones because I already have the light colored ones. Now, I did pick up some glue sticks because, you know what, I have some, but I don't know where they are. So I did pick those up. And I haven't seen these before, but these are from the art section, and it's squeeze bottle, like the little squeeze bottles. And I thought this would be really cool to do something with. And I only picked up one, but I may, you know, I don't know. If I don't find anything else to spend money on this month, I may go back and get some more. But they're pretty cool. It's the twist design. And then the top twist open like that. And then closes. So, I don't know. I'll test them out on stuff. They're 2-ounce 2-ounce bottles each. So I thought that was a pretty good deal for $1, and we'll see how they go, because I like to have some smaller bottles with stuff in them. And then, y'all, I had to pick these up. I really didn't need them, but they are so cute. They have a whole new line of socks in. That is new. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit the camera. Y'all, look at this. It's only one pair, but look how stinking cute. The little puppy, and it matches when you put them together. And I love the lavender and the little hearts around it. Now, I didn't pick up every one of them because obviously I don't really need them. But they had a kitty cat like that. They had a rabbit, which was really cute. I should have picked that one up, but I didn't. But they had kitty cat, doggy, rabbit, and a panda bear. But they're really, really cute. And they really feel like good quality socks. I love Dollar Tree socks. You guys know that. I buy them all the time. And then I just picked up some little snacks because, you know, I'm on keto and sometimes it's hard to find snacks. Now, I got a bag of pistachios. Now, they are higher in carbage, but this is such a small amount, and it says total carbs 5, and the fiber is 2, so 3 net carbs for this little bag, and it's 1.25 ounces. And then every once in a while, I'm trying to stay away from sugar, but when I go to church, sometimes I get a dry throat and I need something. And obviously I don't want to take a cough drop if I don't need a cough drop. So I picked up these little Starlight mints, and they are sugar-free. And they are 3 pieces. It's 15 carbs, but it also has 15 sugar alcohols in it. So it's really no net carbs. And they are sweetened with sucralose, which never has hurt me before. So I got that. Then, y'all, I know I'm such a country hick. I love my potted meat. I picked up a can of that. They got bigger. So used to is just a little can like this. And so it has no carbs. And I think that's pretty cool. So I picked up one of these, and it's still only 50 cents. Then I just picked up some little sugar thingies. Well, not sugar, but Coffee Mate like Splenda. And then I found a new snack that I was really excited about. They had 3 different kinds, and I got this one because it's the only one that would be keto friendly. But they're called Trail Best. And it's in the section where it has like beef jerky and all the little snack things right here. And this one has little snack sticks, like little beef jerky sticks, sunflower seeds, and cheddar cheese. And it's 270 calories. Not yesterday, but 2 days ago when I was out running around, and I stopped by Dollar Tree just to check to see if we had anything new, I saw this and I was starving because I didn't have the big breakfast that I had planned on, and I was hungry. So this came in handy with a bottle of water. Yes, I also got a bottle of water, but it's gone. So anyway, this is, like I said, 270 calories. It was only 5 carbs, but it had 2 grams of fiber, no added sugar, and 11 grams of protein. So I thought this was awesome. I saved the package so that we could look at it. But it is actually real cheese. And yeah, I mean, it might not be the best in the world, but in a pinch, this would be great. And so I could think, you'd stick one of these in the bag. Now, they had some with cheese and raisins and beef sticks. That's definitely no-no because I can't have them raisins. And then they had one more kind, I think, with cranberries and something else. But this one right here was pretty good. And the last thing I got was just another basket. I'm still working in my craft room. And, yep, the struggle is real. So, anyway, and that is my entire haul. Can y'all believe that? I really don't think I've ever had a haul this small before. Maybe, but yeah, I don't think so. So, anyway, that's my haul for you. Next week, I'm not going to have a haul. I will have a Dollar Tree DIY. And I thought about having one this week too, but I'm not quite finished with what I'm doing. So it'll be next week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help YouTube notice my channel and share it more. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking that little red button down there on the right hand side. And when the bell pops up, don't forget to tap that bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!